So I have plugged in this breadboard, check my computer, this is it. I'll try to, what's the next step? Nothing here. If I try to look at this and right click, I'll go open with, say notepad, this is what it is, import data program, notepad. And if I go to data program, I go open with notepad, this is what it says here, notepad, here. What will I do next? I go up. This is the data program by notepad. This is the settings. Cannot open. Settings. Okay, it is already saved on this computer with our internet. I'm gonna delete the rest because it has a lot. Is this fine already? Is this ready? And then I go back.